Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's weekly market guide.
Hello everyone, hope all of you are healthy and safe. Welcome to Sharekhan's weekly market guide. This podcast will help you stay informed with latest update on Indian markets. Kindly note this is an informational piece and not a recommendation. So let's start with what has happened last week. Nifty and Bank Nifty posted highest weekly close since budget week. Nifty rose by 3.4%, Sensex was up by 4%, and Midcap Index also was up by 4%. All sectors gained last week except FMCG. Nifty Private Bank and PSU Bank rose over 7% each. Realty Index was up by 7% too. In world away from equities, crypto crash and Elon Musk were the buzzword last week. Bitcoin has declined over almost 50% from its peak in 2021. Last week, the RBI also announced a surplus transfer of 991 billion rupees to the government to cushion the damage from the second wave. Also, government expects GST collection to fall below rupees 1 lakh crore for first time in 3 quarters in June due to COVID second wave. Now let's look for the week ahead. For week ahead, all bullish eyes will now be on Nifty's all-time high at 15,432 mark. The focus also remains on India's COVID-19 situation and also appreciation in the rupee against dollar. Oil and commodity prices would be closely tracked. Local and global cues will continue to dictate the trend in near future. Cases of black fungus are on the rise across states, which will be tracked closely as government has declared it as an epidemic. Many major pharma companies would be in focus as they would declare their quarterly numbers. India will declare its forex reserve data. Now let us look at upcoming corporate actions. Now let us look at technical data on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us track some derivative data points. Five stocks where long buildup is observed. Five stocks where short buildup is observed. That's all for this week. Do share in your comments on this weekly market guide. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Join us next week for yet another weekly market guide. Until then, subscribe to our channel and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.